In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table into a different base in Airtable. We'll use a simple export and import method. First, download your table as a CSV from the original base, then bring that CSV into your target base as a brand new table. This preserves your records and field names, and it's quick and reliable. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and heading to the base that contains the table you want to copy. Once you're in the table, open the Views drop-down menu. You'll see an option to download a CSV. Choose Download CSV and Airtable will export exactly what's in the current view. Quick tip: the CSV reflects filters, sorts, and hidden fields. If you need every record and every column, switch to a view that shows everything before you download. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated imports folder. Next, return to your Airtable home screen so you can move into the destination base, the place you want the copied table to live. Open that base. To create the new table, click the plus sign to add a table, then choose the option to add from other sources. Select CSV file as your import type. Click Browse Files, locate the CSV you just downloaded, and select it. Click Open, then confirm by choosing Upload File. Airtable will show you a preview of your data before it becomes a table. This is a great moment to double check a few things. Make sure the first row is being used as your field headers. That keeps your column names intact. Review the primary field, the first column, since Airtable treats it differently for linking and deduping. Also glance at the detected field types. Dates, numbers, and checkboxes usually auto-detect well, but if something looks off, adjust the type in the preview so you don't have to fix it later. When everything looks right, click Next and then click Import to create the table. Your table is now copied into the new base with the same records and column names found in the CSV. A couple of quick notes to wrap up. CSVs carry raw data, not formulas, rollups, linked records, or attachments. If your original table used formulas or relationships, you'll want to recreate those field types and relink tables after the import. Attachments don't transfer via CSV, so plan to reattach files or use an attachment import tool if needed. Finally, give the new table a clear name and spot check a few records to confirm formatting and data types look good. And that's it. You've successfully copied a table into a different base using a clean CSV workflow.